Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 24th to the 28th of April 2023 on Monday. Sibonelo'S is out to find the person who hasted his penal van. Gingy and Jeza realized they robbed the decoy. Vusi claims Sarah is bewitching Kapsilo on Tuesday. Sibonelo'S is wary of telling Nomaswazi where he's keeping the cash. Hlelo does not find Sibonelo'S money after searching through Kwanjo money. Kapsile realizes that she is being bewitched on Wednesday. When Kapsile goes on a rampage, Sarah Kumete finds herself in a situation she never thought she would ever find herself in. Hlelo makes a shocking discovery concerning Sibonelo'S laundering money. Hleziphi and the teens fundraising attempt goes in vain on Thursday. Sibonelo'S makes a shocking discovery as Sibu searches for a common enemy. Hleziphi gives up on her dreams and Nkazimulo's kind gesture falls flat on Friday. Jack of all trades confesses and this sends Sibonelo'S on a downward spiral. Gingy and Nomaswazi get closer again, or do they? The tenant buy into Hleziphi's idea. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.